how to delete all saved videos on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you delete all your saved videos on TikTok. So let's get started. First, as you have to open TikTok app with your account. After you open TikTok, you will get this kind of interface. From here, you'll have to tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. From your profile section, tap on the bookmark icon at the right hand side. From the section, you'll be able to find your every saved videos on it. Now from here, if you want to remove that, simply tap on any video. After you tap on that, at the right hand section, you'll have to again tap on the bookmark icon if you want to remove or delete from the save list. After you tap on that, that video will be removed from your TikTok profile. Now from here, continuously you'll have to just repeat the same process on every video. Simply you'll have to just swipe to the next video and repeat the process like this. And that's it. This is the process you can repeat to delete all of the saved videos from your TikTok. If this helped, don't forget to like, follow and share for more TikTok tips. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.